Oh, hi there. I didn't see you. I'm Brian. You may recognize me from this channel. Anywho, welcome to our first episode of Don't Leave Your Trash in Nature. This episode, we're going to be going through the do's and the don'ts of leaving your trash in nature.
Do. Dispose of your trash in a designated receptacle. Don't. Leave your trash in nature. Do. Attach a trash bag to your backpack. Don't. Leave your trash in nature. Do. Leave items at your car if you're too irresponsible to dispose of them yourselves. Don't. Leave your trash in nature.
So thanks for joining us. And remember, don't leave your trash in nature. See you next time.